Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to talk about a cold table strategy. And it's just as I said, cold table. We're going to be playing one table unit on the don't pass. So here's $25 table. 25, once that number resolves, you have the option, and I said option, to put odds on them. Now, I like playing odds on don't pass in reverse. So if it's a 6 or 8 high frequency numbers, I only play 1 times the odds. Then I play 2 times and then 3 times. And that's the maximum on the 4 and 10. After the point is established, you then put a don't come. Let's say a 9 is hit. Same thing. You have the option to play your odds if you'd like or not. And we will play a maximum of 3 contract bets on this dark side strategy. 1 don't pass and 2 don't come. With the option, you can play just flat bets if it's a real choppy table. You don't know where the trends are. You might just start off with flat bets to see how you do, and then go up from there. All right, pretty easy. Let's look at a roll so we can kind of get what we're going for. All right, don't pass. And we're coming out. 2 craps. That takes the regular pass line, but the don't pass gets paid 25. 11 yo. That's a loser for the don't pass. So basically, they give, then they take. All right. And 4. We like that. And we can go up to 3 times odds, and I think we will take that. Actually, I just want to do 70 odds because that's a very clean $35 payout on 70 odds when you're laying odds. All right, so we've got our DC out there. And 5. We move to the 5. We can do let's do 3 times odds here as well on that 5. 75 will pay 50. So for 3 units, you get paid 2 units. All right, let's put our last don't come out there. And 6. Travels. I'm going to put just 1 times odds, but I'll put 30 out there, which 30 pays 25. For every 6, you get 5. 30 divided by 6 is 5 times 5 is 25. All right, we'll just watch the roll. 10 and 7 out. All right, that's good. So 25 for the flat. 25 for the flat. 2 units for the odds. And We've got 70, 1-to-1 on the flat, 35 for the odds. 70, 35, 1-to-1. All right, we can pick all this up. It's a nice little win on a cold table. All right, we're off there. And 9. We'll do the same thing. We'll do 3 times odds down there. We put our $25 don't come. 6 moves. We'll play with 30 odds that pays 25. Put another DC out there. 11 yo. We lose that DC. Replace. And 7 out. All right, we lose that DC as well. But we get paid this DC 1-to-1 on the flat, 25 for 30. And on the don't pass, we get 1-to-1 on the flat, 50 for the $75 bet. All right, let's do another shooter. We put our don't pass back out there. And 11 yo. That's a loss for that don't pass. Replenish. 3 craps. That's a winner for the don'ts. Loser for the pass line. All right, let's go. And 5. Same rhythm. We'll put 75 odds. We'll put our don't come out there. And 8. We move. We throw 30 in odds. And we replace the don't come because we want 3. And 7. 7 out. All right. 7, we lose the don't come, but we get paid 1-to-1 on the flat, 25 for 30 odds. Same thing. We get 1-to-1 on the flat, 50 in odds. 75 odds pays 50. We can just pick all that up. And for that session on a cold table, we've got our 2,500 intact right there. $75, $85, $385 winner. Not bad. This is a very common type of strategy. I'll even play like this from time to time. It depends on what kind of mood I am at the craps table. If I want to be a do player or a don't player. You've got to understand and watch the table. When it starts heating up, maybe you switch from don't comes to come bets. I don't know. I mean, you've always got to watch the table. You never know who's going to get hot. And when it does, you want to take advantage. That's life with craps, is you have to be nimble and agile to adjust to different types of shooters and rolls, trends. You know, I saw in one session, I saw basically the 4 people in front of me, 3 of those individuals had God rolls. And the one person 7'd out pretty quickly. That was very interesting and telling. That table walked away with a lot of money. It was funny. You could see the dust because most of the chips were out. They had to bring an emergency fill in for the banker. And they were having to have people color up while play was in session just so they could continue paying. That was a good day. Those are the days that you dream about. All right, for the cold table strategy, if you have any questions, let's see them in the comments. And I don't have to answer everything. Let's let some users get involved and answer questions too. I'd appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so we can get more content like this out to you. Thanks for watching. Craps University out.